Spain's job seeker visa, your opportunity to move to Spain and search for a job, even without an offer. The Spain job seeker visa lets skilled professionals move to Spain and search for work without needing a job offer first. Applicants should be aged between 30 and 40 and hold professional qualifications or a university degree relevant to their field. Proof of financial means is required. You must show enough savings to support yourself during your job search in Spain. Start by gathering key documents: your CV, diplomas, passport, proof of funds, and a recent health insurance certificate. Scan and organize all documents digitally. Make sure digital files are clear and labeled for easy access during your application. Submit your application through the official Spanish consulate or embassy website. Double-check application details before finalizing. If requested, attend your consulate interview. Bring originals and copies of all documents, and prepare to explain your career goals. After a short review period, you'll receive a decision by email. Upon approval, begin planning your job search and move to Spain. Spain's IT sector is booming and welcomes skilled professionals from abroad to fill roles in development, data, and cybersecurity. Healthcare is another top hiring sector, with high demand for qualified nurses, doctors, and specialized medical staff. Engineering roles, especially in infrastructure and renewable energy, are actively recruiting both local and international talent. Update your LinkedIn profile in both English and Spanish. Highlight skills, certifications, and experience relevant to Spain's job market. Join Spanish job fairs and networking events online. Reach out directly to recruiters and connect with professional groups in your field. The job seeker visa could be your gateway to a new life in Spain. Ready to take the next step in your career?